Are you looking for Gracie? Where is she? Jack, call Gracie. Gracie went to the farm with Daddy. Hey, you know, your cub shirt's getting pretty small here on August 9th. It's Grandma's birthday. We gotta call Grandma and say happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. What you got? Hi, handsome. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Dance for Grandma. Happy birthday, dear Grandma. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Can you clap? Yay! Say happy birthday, Grandma. Can you give Grandma a kiss? Give her a kiss, Jack. Give Grandma a kiss. Jack, can you do kisses? Jack. I'm busy with this buckle, Grandma. Can you give kisses? Kiss to the camera? Busy, 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 busy. Okay. Say happy birthday, Grandma. Happy birthday, Grandma. Happy birthday. Say, I love you. And blow her a kiss. Can you blow her a kiss? Jack. Jack, like this. Okay. Nope, not gonna happen.